Hey y'all, Bianca here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a product review and hair tutorial for Spoolies hair rollers. Now, I have also heard these called magic hair rollers, but honestly, they're the exact same thing. So I know you guys are going to want to know where I got mine from, and I actually got mine off Amazon. Here is a picture of the exact brand that I ordered. But as you can see, there are several different versions of this product, and I'm pretty sure they're all the same. So if you're like me and kind of cheap, then I would just go with whichever ones are the best value. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing right now, so let's get started. So this is how the spoolies came. I got a bag of 40. They're actually really soft and really fun to play with, obviously. So I'm excited to see how these are gonna come out. I detangled my hair early this morning and it's been in these plaits ever since, so I'm starting with freshly detangled hair that is still semi-damp. So I'm just going to comb through my hair and apply a little mousse to each section. Today I'll be using Cream of Nature Curl Foaming Mousse. Grab your spoolie, holding it at the base, and wrap your hair around the spoolie. Y'all have to excuse my face. I'm like really focused right now. Make sure you have a good grip on the hair so that you get it as straight as possible. And once you have it wrapped around, just shut the top of the spoolie. All right, one more time. Hold, wrap, shut. All right, all done. I will say once you get the hang of it, it goes by really quick, definitely quicker than a perm rod or a flexi rod set. So now it's time to dry. So I'm not gonna front, y'all, I'm super pissed. I sat under the dryer for an hour and a half and my hair wasn't even fully wet and I still wasn't dry. But the plus side is that these are super soft, so I was able to sleep in them. So let's see how these curls come out. Oh yes, ma'am. I am liking what I see. So I am really liking the outcome. But of course, I have got to go in and separate. So I'm adding a little oil to the hair just to give it that added shine. And now I'll go in and separate. All separated. So I'm feeling a updo today, so I'm just going to put some clips on the sides of my hair. Here is a 360 view and I must say I am loving it. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you guys think. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at BINK_YYYYY. Thanks guys, see you next time.